Ya? Bukanlah elakkan berbayar tu sampai kedekut sangat. Tidak. Maksudnya kita belajar dulu yang free, kemudian baru kita belajar yang berbayar. Boleh? Baik. Tuan-tuan dan puan dipersilakan untuk pergi ke Google seperti biasa. Yang saya pergi sekarang ni. Dah pergi dah? Kita akan fokus kepada the first subject of the day, which is we call it as a mini site. Ataupun dengan kata lain, Google site. So all of you are welcome to visit the Google site by just type it Google site. And then you are going to be prompt something like this, and you have the ability to enter it inside the Google Sites _sign in. Ada keluar tak? Ada. You can click that Google Sites _sign in, and then you are enabling yourself to begin with a new paradigm of creating a website. So anda akan dapat masuklah ke satu website. Bukanlah website pun yang sangat complicated. Ini website paling mudah dalam dunia. So siapa yang jadi PPKP, kalau Google Site pun tak reti nak buat, kamu memang layak untuk datang jumpa balik ke kelas ni. Faham tak faham ni? So you have to try your best to understand this example. Okay, example. I just give you one idea. This is the tuberculosis control. This is a basic understanding of how you want to communicate the risk of spreading the tuberculosis by using the data lah. And then you want to share it to public. And of course, to install it into your web hosting and server might require a certain time and also technicalities. Therefore, you need something robust, namely as follows lah, which is Google Site. So, persoalan dia, macam mana nak buat? Betul tak? Betul ke tak betul? Betul. Baik, tuan-tuan dan puan sekalian, kenapa saya tutup? Macam suruh pergi makan je. So, first step, you go to the Google Site, and then you enter your Google Site as follows, and then kita buat yang basic. Ni saya mungkin tak sempat nak habiskan semua Google Site ni, tapi kita akan sambung pada masa yang lain. Boleh Okay, go to the blank site. Blank site. Okay, they have also some templates that you can copy with, and then you can adjust according to your needs, but I'm going to share with you the rough idea from the beginning, from scratch. So, add your title. So, let's say I have a title, something with regard to the health promotions. Apa health promotion yang saya suka buat? Okay, let me just make a health promotion with regard to the indoor air quality. Okay, contoh So, saya punya title untuk health promotion, indoor air quality and health among students. IAQ and health, ILKKM-SB. Okay, this is the example of my site. Okay, so first step, you give the name of your title. So it can be any titles that you like. Okay, in this case, I'm going to spell it out: indoor air quality and health, ILKKM-SB, health promotion. Example. Okay, you can try your own idea. Okay, sudah letak dah? Dah letak Dah letak tajuk. Ikut suka tuan-tuan dan perempuan. Saya tak nak anda ikut saya sangatlah. Sebab anda ada minat anda tersendiri. Okay. But the main reason of using the Google Sites is not for the health promotion. For the practices of IK, kita tak buat untuk buat health promotion menggunakan Google Site. Maknanya anda punya SEM 4, anda bukan pakai Google Site. SEM 3 pun sama, bukan pakai Google Site. That's why nanti you kena duduk dalam kumpulan dan you kena beli dan bayar untuk domain dan subdomain. Okay. So, apa yang sebenarnya nak saya ajar tuan-tuan dan puan buat adalah membuat profil diri masing-masing menggunakan Google Sites. Faham Buat profil diri. So, mari kita buat profil diri sama-sama. So, saya akan padam benda ni. Saya akan letak perkataan profil Dr. Sai. Example lah. My digital profile. Okay. Dia akan jadi website lah. Ataupun akan jadi sites. That we can communicate and give information to others about us. Okay. Dah sudah? Okay. First of all, the upper part here is called header. Apa dia? Yang saya sedang buat ni namanya header. Yang saya punya cursor sedang joget ni. Yang sedang joget ni namanya apa? Apa dia? Cursor. C-U-R-S-O-R. Cursor. Okey. Dekat cursor ni, kalau tuan-tuan puan perasan, dia akan ada nama, dia akan ada header type, and then you have also the image. So I can put the image here and select accordingly. Where the image are going to be navigated through, it's going to refer to the repositories of image, or it can also be searched inside your Google Drive. Let's say you have a gambar, you boleh letak kat situ lah. Oh, saya kena hati-hati ni. Takut tiba-tiba keluar gambar personal. Okay, let me just put here. This is the example of the header pictures that I want to insert. Okay, done already? Okay, all of you can insert your own pictures lah, yeah. But this is only an example. You can also change the header to become a large banner, or to make it as a cover photo, or to make it as a title only, or it's become as a normal banner. So I prefer to use the large banner, something like what you see inside the slide. Okay, done? Done or not done? Done or done? Done lah kan? Okay. Next, after you know the front side and the top part is called header, then we need to know also the bottom part and also the lower part of your page is called footer. Apa dia? Footer. Therefore, I'm going to put here as something lah. Copyright. Copyright. RIGHT. Copyright. Dr. Shazwan Aizat Ismail. Example only. Okay. Dan itu adalah header. To make your website, your sites, your digital platform visible, you need to take account to put as many as possible information that can be searchable inside the Google Keywords Analytics. So how I'm going to explain it later on akan datang, tapi saya cerita yang basic-basic dulu. Okay, now we clear about the header, we clear already about the footer. Okay, faham ya? Now is the body. Body ni apa body? Our front side, our frontal side, our important part of the digital profile that we want to create. Okay, in this case, I might want to choose the content block as follows. We got the first content block like this, second, third, fourth, and so on. So I'm going to choose this one. So this is the example of one of the content block where I'm going to specify here as academic. Example lah, sebab ni digital profile saya kan. And then followed by another one is hobby. And then followed by another one is personal. Example lah, example only. Okay, and then you can put something on here. Please click to learn more. Contoh lah, to learn more. Okay, this one is what? Hobby. Click here to see. Sorry lah, kat sini apa ni? Ni pasal apa? Hobby let's join. Let's join my hobby. Example lah. And then the last but not least is personal. My view. Okay. Contoh. Ni saya pakai 3. Kalau anda tak minat 3, nak pasang 4 pun boleh. Lain macam ayat tak minat 3, nak pasang 4. Taklah, maksudnya struktur. Struktur of your website. Okay, after that, you can see over here, you have the ability to insert image. Okay, so I can go to select the image, and as I mentioned to you, you can select the image based on numbers of ways. The first one is from your Google Drive, which is I'm not going to click it because I'm afraid my personal photo are going to be appear. You can also go for the other photos, named as the Google image. Inside the Google image, for example, you can just put anything with regard to the pictures that you want. Contohlah saya letak Syazwan Aizat ni ada tak dekat dalam Google Photo? Ada lah ni contoh. Dia bukan Syazwan Aizat ni. Tapi tak siapa, saya main letak je lah. Contoh. Okay, my hobby. So I'm going also to select an image, which is in this case, I'm going to select the image of my hobby. Who knows what is my hobby? Siapa tahu? Apa hobi saya? Memancing. Memancing adalah sangat bukan hobi saya. Up the Google Sites. Okay, so the Google Sites have the one important ideas here. It can also be used to navigate people with the information with regard to your risk communication and also digital health promotion. Sebab anda punya digital health promotion, perhaps anda nak cerita pasal bagaimana nak membasuh tangan, betul tak? So you have here is the epidemiology of disease related to the hand hygiene, and then followed by another one, how to clean your hand, and then another one is how to clean your environment, for example. So you can put anything with regard to your Digital Health Promotion Package. But this is only an example. Okay, kalau dah sudah, saya akan stop dekat sini sahaja dulu dan kita akan sambung pada sesi yang akan datang. Boleh ya? But before I end up, just make sure that everything is already being saved inside your cloud storage by just go to the publish here. You can click the publish and then you can see that it is already identify what is the link related to your website. In your website here, contoh kan, https://sites.google.com ilkkmsb.edu.my/drsai ni, ya Allah, memang mouthful. Apa maksud mouthful? Memang panjang bab satu, betul? Jadi tuan-tuan dan puan punya bukanlah yang ada ilkkm.edu.my tu kan? So you can specify anything with regard to what you want as the name of your sites. So my site is already giving an appropriate name. Kalau anda tak suka letak nama tu, jangan letak lagi Nanti anda balik buat kerja rumah ni untuk anda fikir nama yang lebih sedap untuk anda punya profile, digital profile. So, what is the conclusion? This digital profile is only an example. Apa dia? Ni example je. Sebab kita akan gunakan yang sebenarnya nanti dalam kita punya website sendiri. But this is only to showcase to you that this is the simplest way to communicate to the people, to give response to the people, to make a landing page. Do you remember about yesterday we talked about landing page? So the landing page, the easier way to do is the Google Sites. But you are only allowed to use the Google Sites as your landing page for your personal profile. Apa dia? Personal profile. So kalau anda kena buat kerja kumpulan untuk SEM ni and also another SEM which is next semester, so please do not use the Google Sites. You need to have your proper websites. This is only a latihan for you to familiarize with the simplest method. Okay. Nanti kita akan belajar pada masa akan datang. Itu saja, kita rehat dulu, nanti kita sambung.